Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pi da ka umrupa, ringkat bat ka orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Haga santarik mentau nailor arajar kat kendai. Kagenhun kabala tau kerpang daga yeng dorbar tau an jong jela ya kabala tip kum ka privilege committee. Kala khot hajir ya uwei na ki he pulit ka jela halor ka jing Kren Tohmet jong u ya uwei unong mi Khmat syag yeng dorbar tau an ka jela tang namar ba upenon kam da ki yit ki bala ta yit yong haga kali jong u. Uniu officer ketenat pulit ubabat ya ka kerdan DSP udai UW Momen ubala sya ujor hau MLA jong Rambrai-Jyrngam constituency uba Kimfa Sydney Marbanyang. Kajing sya khot hajir UW Momen haka privilege committee kade hadian ba haka new tarik unailar mentau snem arjar kat kendai ula pha weng no ya ka yit yong rengkat kajing Kren Tohmet bat kenhiet ya uba Kimfa Sydney Marbanyang. Hakane kajing khot hajir rengkat kajing dan lang jong Director General of Police kani kejela u R Chandranathan bat u Secretary ketenat ki kampo yeng kejela u ba S Karlengdo nakaliang u W Momen ulapan map halor kani kajing le jong u bat nakaliang ka Privilege Committee kalapan ru da kajing tho halor kani kajing pan map jong u.
This Privilege Committee had summoned the DYSP Mr. Momen. He had assumed onto himself that the committee had summoned the DYSP because he wanted to perform his duty in removing the tinted glasses. This was brought to the notice of the Home Secretary and to the DGP, for which the DGP was not aware about it, and he is going to conduct an inquiry into the action of the SP traffic for divulging to the public, including the public domain, on the proposed action to be taken by the Privilege Committee. He himself has violated the privileges, and therefore this committee is going to even sit again to examine and to think of perhaps action may also follow for the SP traffic. The DYSP, Mr. Momen, appeared before us today afternoon, and he has tendered his apology to the committee. But this committee will have to sit again now to examine and to think whether that apology will be considered or not. Nevertheless, the DYSP, Mr. Momen, has been asked to appear again tomorrow at 3 p.m. with an apology letter. On seeing the apology letter, and the committee will sit again tomorrow at 3 p.m. and think and also again review whether the apology will be accepted. And that will be tomorrow at 3 p.m.
Of the Supreme Court ruling, in the last sentence, there is a saying, the appropriate government is free to make any regulations that it may consider appropriate in this regard. It's very clear. You see, last time, in the last term, there was a call for all the MLAs to submit their private number vehicle, those who will be using this tinted glass. It was there actually in the last term. I could remember it. But whether that order is still on or not, right now I cannot comment on that. But it is very much clear that tinted glass is banned.
Like Mr. Chairman had already mentioned, that in the previous term, that means that the previous government, there was already an executive order wherein the MLAs have been asked to submit their vehicle numbers, for which some kind of an executive order for exemption of the rule would be provided. Now we would like to follow up with the present government so that this confusion is aborted. so that this confusion is no longer there in the minds of the people and the minds of the police and also of the legislator, that the government will again review that particular executive order and again issue fresh exemptions to the MLAs or the representatives if they feel they require.
DYSP himself was called only about his misbehavior.
That's all.
The conduct would have been done smoothly and silently out here, but they themselves blew everything away. And then moreover, to be frank enough, the committee itself is a quasi-judicial. Okay? Now what happened is that even before they know the fact, they have already blew that matter in the press, assuming that he was talking about the black tinted glass. But it was not about the tinted glass. It was about his behavior only.
Even the complaint here,
Yes.
complaint is here.
It's very
You can
clear.
take a copy, no problem. It says what? Complaint against the behavior of police officer. So that's the complaint. So this is where the privileges is about.
The constitution has given some privileges to the elected members. It is very clear in this article 194. You can just refer to it and then you see that how privileges and immunity that has been given to the MLAs. I mean the elected members. It's very clear. We are not above the law. Nobody is above the law. One of the AC, superintendent engineer, misbehaved so much that he never let me even sit on that particular office. He will say, "Oh, you are from the opposition." I was trying to introduce myself. I'm Salim. So you are from the opposition, and he was keep on talking with us officers only. So those kinds of behavior cannot be accepted. When they are behaving with a representative like this, then what about the public? Just imagine that one. If somebody behaves tomorrow, any officers, about not giving a sign to any public officers, do you think we will just accept it? If they cannot do it with the MLAs, do you think they will do it with the public? If we keep quiet with that, then are we not going to be blamed why we are being elected? If tomorrow police misbehaves with any public, now for example there has been lots of complaint, okay, with the truck driver, with the sumo driver, with the driver. That means if they are behaving with the MLAs, okay, if we just keep quiet, then we have to keep quiet for the, when they will be behaving for the public. Tell me, how would you justify this one? If they misbehave tomorrow with you, it will not come to the public, it will keep to us. If we happen to keep quiet tomorrow, then it's about disciplining the department, not about trying, this committee is not about searching the, the fault finding department, okay? This is about trying to discipline the whole system. This is about trying to, bring all the department into the, streamlining the behavior and the manners that they needed to do so, that they have to carry it out when they are, doing their job. We are not against anybody, we are not against any department, we are not against police, we are not against nobody, but trying to streamline everything and disciplining everyone.